Hello and welcome back to my channel Teacher Tycoon. In today's video, we are going to learn about a great sports personality and a real patriot, Major Dhyan Chand. We will also learn how India won the match of hockey against Germany and received the gold medal. So, my dear students of class 5, kindly open your English Bal Bharati textbooks, page number 16. So let's read and understand the whole chapter. Let's begin. My other viewers can also continue watching it as they will increase a little bit knowledge about who is Major Dhyan Chand, how is the sports hockey played, and why do we celebrate 29th August as a National Sports Day. You can get all this knowledge. So please continue watching. Saturday, 15th August 1936. It was the day of the hockey finals during the Olympic event held in Berlin, Germany. So, children, if you see the date, it is 15th August 1936. So, 1936 means this. This match was held before the India received independence. Okay, and where was the Olympic events held? During that time, it was held in Berlin, Germany. Berlin is a very famous city in Germany. Germany had defeated several teams to enter the finals against the Indian team. So, defeated means it had almost won every match with whom they were playing hockey, and they had entered the final, same as India. They were the host of Olympics means as Olympics was in their country, so they are supposed to be the host. So they were the host of the Olympics, and they were sure of their victory. Show of the victory means they were pretty sure that they will win their match. Perhaps that was the reason why their ruler Hitler himself come to watch the match. Perhaps means maybe that was the reason why, because they thought, okay, we are also hosting the Olympics and definitely we are going to win the match. So that was the reason why Hitler, you can see on the screen, Hitler was a ruler in Germany during that period of time. So he had come to see the match to cheer his team. All day before, it had rained heavily. The entire field had become waterlogged. So, all day before means yesterday. Like yesterday, the whole day it was raining heavily. And because of this heavy rain, the field had become waterlogged. Waterlogged means everywhere there was water saturated. But 15th August being the last day of the games, it was not possible to postpone the match any further. As 15th August was the last day of the games means last day of the Olympic Games. So it was not possible that because of this problem we could postpone. Postpone means go further with some another day to carry the match. The Indian team was a little under pressure as they had lost to Germany in the practice match and they were not very comfortable with the wet ground. So there were two reasons why India was under pressure. Under pressure means they were not very confident that will they win the match or will they lose the match. There were two reasons. The first reason is that because they had lost the match, the practice match. They had lost the practice match to Germany, and the second thing, they were not very comfortable. They had not practiced playing hockey on the wet ground. So these were the two reasons why Team India was little bit under pressure. About 40,000 people had gathered in the hockey stadium to cheer Germany against India. So how many people had come to cheer Germany? 40,000 people. They all had gathered in the stadium and they all came to cheer Germany against India. The Maharaja of Baroda state, the Prince of Bhopal, and few other Indians had also come to support Team India. So few of these people, the Maharaja of Baroda state, Prince of Bhopal, and few other Indians had also come at the stadium to cheer or to support the Indian team. The The match started exactly at 11 a.m. So, exactly the time was 11 a.m. when the match had started. The Germany team had adopted a novel strategy of using the Indian technique of short distance pass against the Indian team itself. So, what do you mean by adopted? Adopted means they had taken it. Adopted means to follow. And novel over here, novel, the meaning of novel is nothing but new. They had planned a strategy is planning. So they used whatever the Indian team had the plan that they will use short distance pass, same they were playing the same strategy they were playing against India. They had restored a very aggressive play. Restored means they started to play a very aggressive means playing with very force of that कुछ भी हो जाए हम तो ये गेम जीत के ही रहेंगे. If anybody gets hurt also no problem. Team was offering an strong resistance. Equally strong resistance means even if the Germany was playing aggressive, even India was not like अरे ये तो भी बहुत aggressive खेल रहे हैं अब हम क्या करें. No, they also started playing aggressive and with their minds alert. No team could make any goal during the first half. First half means during the first 30 minutes they could not, neither Germany neither India could make any goal. During the 32nd minute, Roop Singh scored the first goal, hitting the ball towards the goal post from a difficult angle. During the 32nd, the first goal was scored by the Indian team, and who was the player? Roop Singh. Okay. In the second half of the match, the Indian team found a firm footing. The entire team played as one and made 3 goals against Germany. So, what happened in the second half? The Indian team found a firm footing means what? Control. They had a good control on the game, and because of that, they could score 3 goals. 2 of them were made by the captain of the Indian team, Dhyan Chand. So out of 3, 2 goals were made by Dhyan Chand. However, the German players were also trying their level best to win. They too succeeded in making 1 goal. Even when India was playing good, even Germany were trying to best to win, and they also succeeded in making 1 goal. Now, only few last minutes were left. Dhyan Chand had resolved to win the match at any cost without allowing Germany to make any more goals. So what had happened? Now only few minutes were left, and Dhyan Chand had resolved. Resolved means he had made his mind, okay, whatever happens, I will not let Germany win, neither take more goals. So he didn't even want Germany to win the match, plus he didn't even want Germany to make any goals. His spiked shoes were making it difficult for him to run fast on the wet ground. He removed the shoes and socks and began to run barefoot. So what had exactly happened? Because if you remember, we have read it before that the field was full waterlogged, filled of water, and they had spiked shoes. Spiked shoes means those are spiked shoes. Children, do you know the meaning of spiked shoe? This on the screen you can see it is a normal sports shoes, but it has a metal type of spike coming out. Okay, so because of that, because the ground was wet, it was very difficult for Dhyan Chand to run with it. So what he did, he removed his shoes and socks and started to run barefoot. Barefoot means without any shoes. Using his amazing skills of dribbling and his near magical game, he began to send one pass after another to the player in the D, that is the defenders and the opponent's area, from where they could make goals. They too did not let the passes go waste. The Indian team scored 3 more goals. Dhyan Chand could have easily made the goals himself from his own position, but he never played a selfish game. Skillfully, he took the ball away from the German defender and made it possible for the players in the D to score the goals. So here we can see that how Dhyan Chand was. You can see his quality, that he was never a selfish man. He also wanted not only he will score the goals, but the other team members will also score the goal. The German strategy had proved fruitless. Fruitless means of no use, which is of no use. A defeat stared at them in the face. In the face, stare, it means they knew that they are going to lose the match. Defeat is losing. Some of the frustrated German players then restored a rough game. So what happened when they were very angry, frustrated, when they got very angry and they started to play a very rough game. They started hurting each other. The German goalkeeper pounced on ध्यानचंद and hurt him. Pounce mean उसके ऊपर ही वो कूद गया और ध्यानचंद को hurt हो गया. But Dhyanchand was a true soldier. After a little first aid, he immediately returned to the field and held the spectators spellbound with his game. Spectators mean जिनको भी ऐसा लग रहा था कि ये वापस आने वाला नहीं है, और spellbound means उसने ऐसे magic की तरह game को खेला. Last, he scored the last goal of the match just as the game drew to a close. Drew to a close यानी जैसे टाइम ख़त्म होने आया, उसने उस टाइम पे भी एक गोल लिया. द टीम इंडिया हैड वन थर्ड टाइम इन अ रो. इट वॉज अ हैट्रिक. इसका क्या मतलब है कि इससे 2 साल पहले भी इंडिया ओलंपिक्स जीत रही थी. ओके, और उनको हैट्रिक, हैट्रिक मीन्स जब कोई चीज़ 3 बार होती है, व्हेन एनीथिंग हैपेंस 3 टाइम्स, इट इज कॉल्ड हैट्रिक. Indians were the 3rd time winners of the Olympic gold medal. Although Hitler left the stadium before the match was over, he was impressed by Dhyanchand's game. Impressed means he was very happy with the Dhyanchand's game because Dhyanchand played very well. It is said that German dictator had offered Dhyanchand a higher salary and a rank in the German army if he agreed to play on behalf of Germany. So what had happened? Dhyanchand के game से he was so impressed by the way he played for the team India that he offered him what? Higher salary and higher rank in Germany team. He told that if you play hockey from team Germany, you will be given a higher salary and a higher rank in German army. But Dhyanchand turned down the offer. Turned down the offer means he refused the offer. After the celebrated victory in the Olympics, Hitler awarded a special gold medal to Dhyanchand. Means after the celebrated victory of the Olympics. Now, Olympics, once you win the game, you get gold medal, silver medal, bronze medal. So that India received only. But else than that, Hitler awarded Dhyanchand a special gold medal. You can see on the screen, this is the way they used to play. There are some pictures that I found from internet for you all. You may be aware that hockey is our national sports. You all know that we have studied in the previous classes that hockey is our national sports. Major Dhyanchand's birthday, August 29, is celebrated as National Sports Day in India. So we celebrate the National Sports Day in India. The famous National Stadium in Delhi is named after the great hero. So there's a stadium in Delhi which is named after the great hero Dhyanchand. Perhaps one of you may carry the legacy of Dhyanchand further and win great glory for our country.